Trying to join a Google Meet, but Chrome just won't allow you to access your camera or mic? It's a common issue, and often it comes down to permissions. Enabling camera and microphone access in Google Chrome is essential for using sites like Zoom, Google Meet, or even recording content. In today's video, I'll walk you through why these permissions matter and exactly how to turn them on in just a few clicks. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. In your Google Chrome web browser, click on the three dots at the top right corner and select Settings. Then, on your left column, click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down and select the option Site Settings. Under Permissions, you see the option of Camera and Microphone. Click on Camera. Here you can see the default camera is the FaceTime HD camera, which is my laptop onboard camera. Under Default Behavior, you can select the option of allowing sites to ask to use your camera, or you can turn it off and the sites won't ask you for permissions to use your camera. Here you can see that I have already allowed Microsoft Teams to access my camera. If I want to remove that, just click on the bin icon and this will be removed. The next time you use Microsoft Teams, a pop-up will appear asking you to allow permission to use your camera. Click on the back arrow and go to Microphone. The options are exactly the same as for camera, and you can allow sites to ask for your permission as well. You can also select the default microphone to use here. So for example, if you have an external USB mic connected, you can also select that option under the drop-down menu. This is especially useful if you are using video conferencing apps where you have to allow web-based applications like Google Meet or Microsoft Teams to access your camera and microphone before you can use them. There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Thank you so much. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye-bye.